Hi Pinky. So I have this suggestion for add item page. In add item page we have types: inventory, non-inventory, service, item groups, discount, fixed asset, and manufactured. And after selecting any type, we always have this option: allow vendor to include this item in the bill. So this is applicable only for the few types, like we can only have the items with these types available on create bill page on vendor portal. So the list is like inventory, non-inventory, services, and fixed asset. So only these types we are available, and remaining types we do not have. We cannot select those items in the line items of create bill page on vendor portal. So now, for example, I have items with discount, or I have manufactured items which I have marked as allow vendor to add this item in the bill. But if I go and see, I do not have that. I cannot select that. And same thing on the ERP portal. We cannot add this. We cannot add this item in the bill. So should is it possible to hide this option for the based on the types that we user is selecting? So like that will it will be clear that these items cannot be added from the vendor portal. So similarly for the item groups, discount and manufactured. So these three types user cannot add from the ERP customer portal as well as on ERP portal. And we have fixed asset. So this fixed asset we can add this in ERP portal, but we cannot add this in vendor portal. So should we also allow adding this from the vendor portal? That's the question. Yeah. So I also discussed this with RP, and he was also having same opinion that if we can hide this option from the add item page, if the type selected is manufactured, discount, and item group, then it would be clear to the users. Thanks.